Have you ever found yourself spending hours manually visiting company websites, hunting for contact emails, and copy pasting social media links into a spreadsheet? Well, let me introduce you to MailMena's Lead Hunter, a powerful native Google Sheets add-on that extracts business emails and social profiles from any website directly into your spreadsheet. You can use Lead Hunter to instantly pull contact emails alongside active profiles for LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. It processes everything natively in Google Sheets, meaning there are no complex third-party dashboards to learn. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the add-on and start building your lead list on autopilot. So let's get started. First, go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. I'll leave an installation link in the description below. Click Install, grant the necessary permissions, and Lead Hunter will be available right inside your Google Sheets. Create a new Google Sheet or open an existing one. For this tutorial, we've pasted a list of company websites that we want to extract contact information from. All you need is a single column containing your target URLs. To launch the tool, go to the Extensions menu at the top, select Lead Hunter, and click Launch Hunter. The Lead Hunter sidebar will open up on the right side of your screen. Inside the sidebar, simply select the column from your worksheet that contains your target website URLs. That's all the configuration you need. Now, just click the Hunt Leads button. Lead Hunter will immediately scan the websites. You'll notice that the add-on automatically creates new columns in your sheet for the emails and social media links and populates them in real time as the rows are processed. If you are processing a massive list and need to step away, you can easily stop the process or close the sidebar. Your progress is automatically saved, and you can resume the hunt later right where you left off. It's built to process thousands of websites without completely freezing your browser. Once the process is complete, you are left with a rich, perfectly formatted list of highly targeted leads, ready to be exported or pushed immediately into your cold outreach software. This is how easily you can build high-quality B2B contact lists using Lead Hunter for Google Sheets. Don't forget to check out our website to install the add-on and start hunting leads for free today.